I'm going to show you how to install this men's frontal hairpiece from Super Hairpieces. So, as you know, the hairpiece that I'm about to install, I wore it for a few days and it's been washed, and I've also applied a little bit of hair care product to it to help sort of retain a curl. So you do want to prep the back of this with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just so there's no residue on there and the glue can stick to your skin as it should. Then, after you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and prep the forehead and the skin that the unit is going to be applied to. So I just use a little rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad. And then the last step before we apply it is I just go in with a straight razor and get rid of any baby hairs that I might have. So that way, when we go to take the unit off, we're not pulling that hair out. We do want to sort of save anything we have. I like to use, excuse this bottle, it's a little dirty, but I like to use this Ghost Bond. I find that this glue works really well. So I'm just going to take a brush, and I applied a little glue onto the unit. I'm just going to smooth that out. I've applied the glue to the back of the unit just like this. Now, some people like to apply this glue straight to the forehead. For me, I find that it works best that I apply it to the unit and then apply it to my forehead. Sometimes when I apply it to the forehead, what happens is a little bit of glue gets a little too far down and then it gets stuck to the hair and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so the glue has basically almost completely dried on the back of this unit. Once it gets pretty much clear, you're about ready to install it. So the way I like to install it, you can use a brush to brush back your hair. I just use my hands, it's just as effective. I'm gonna look a little crazy right now, but I'm now going to take just this little stretchy band here, pull all that hair back like that. And then what I like to do is you're gonna center it in the middle of your forehead where it should go. And then you're gonna take it and apply it to the corner here. And as you go, you're gonna wanna sort of kind of slightly pull it taut and make sure that it's all the way up to your actual hairline. So it's gonna look a little something like this here. Super easy to apply, doesn't take long at all. And then after you do that, let that dry. And then once that dries, we can start to style the hair, and then you'll get to see the final product. This is the final product. This is after the installation and after I styled it. As you can see, it blends in beautifully with my natural hair. I can go in and there's the seam right there. Literally, virtually seamless. But yeah, I love these hair pieces. They're great quality, and they look natural, they look great. And you can play with it and have fun and not be afraid to touch it, which is amazing. So please check out Super Hairpieces.